fuck, man? Moving that fuck, man. Shit. Oh, man, fuck with that, man. Close the fucking door! Hey, man, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? It's Young Nigeria, Give Money Now, back at it once again at the Bathtub Studios for allrecipes.com. Today, we're going to be doing another food reviews. Let's see what's on the menu today. Let's see what's on the menu today. Let's see what is on the menu today. Let's see what's on the menu today. The fuck is this? The fuck is this? What the fuck am I gonna do with this? I don't know what a broccoli florey is. When's the last time you seen a nigga eat a broccoli florey? I do not like broccoli. I do not want to review broccoli florets. What are you going to do about this situation? How are you going to fix this for me? How are you going to fix this for us?
What's that? You don't want broccoli?
No, I don't want broccoli. No, I do not want broccoli.
Have you been good today?
Yeah, I think I have been good today.
Do you deserve a treat? What would you like?
I don't know.
I know. You want Go-GURT, don't you? Okay, you can have Go-GURT today. Are you ready? Here you go.
Come on. It's Go-GURT. It's Go-GURT. 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 And Frozen. Frozen Go-GURT. Frozen Go-GURT. Frozen Go-GURT. Go-GURT Frozen. Today, we're getting into some Go-GURT. Go-GURT. Strawberry ice castle flavor. Vanilla flurries. Go-GURT. Biggery bounty. Cherry galaxy flavor. Okay, let's hop right in. First thing you do, you get a hold of a box of Go-GURT, is you're gonna have to do what we call opening the box. Let's crack right in this sweet crate of Go-GURT. Oh, you hear that? Yeah. You getting this camera guy? You getting this camera guy? Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, a twofer. Okay, this is the it's like I'm getting yogurt and strawberry castle. Strawberry ice castle. It's like there's strawberries in this tube of yogurt. It's like, how did they get strawberries right in the tube? They squeezed little strawberries right into my tube of Go-GURT. How did they do that? How did they perfect that? How do they do that? Look, it's got Mr. Olaf right on the bottle. Right on the bottle of Go-GURT. They got Moose Man and Olaf. It's a good Go-GURT. Oh, there's still left in the tube. I always pick up this slide. flurries. So I've been told this one is a little more of like a rustic approach to Go-GURT. They don't really have this one doesn't have strawberries in the tube. This is more of a vanilla. Oh, we all know what that means. Now see, they're doing something different with this one. It's acting a little differently. Because this last one was like a certain type of way. And now this one is a different type of way. Okay, it's like a different thing entirely. I mean, it's still Go-GURT, but it's like a different family tree of the Go-GURT. I'm getting like a vanilla taste. You know what I mean? Like a vanilla bean. Like a bean of vanilla. Okay. The vanilla killer. They got the vanilla killer in this one. Look at that log. Oh my god. What a close call. Vanilla. Vanilla Flurries Go-GURT. 8 out of 10. Not as good as the strawberry. This one is Alien Man. Goku. Green Man. Green guy. For me. Mom, why would you do this to me? I need a production system to open my Go-GURT. What's this? Oh! They got the Cherry Galaxy. Last time I had a Cherry Galaxy, shit, it was like 2004. And, man, I just, I don't know what it is. Okay, so this one, it's kind of a return to form. Much like the strawberry one, they have succeeded in condensing fruit down into the chew. But, where this one was strawberries, they seem to have gotten cherries in the tube on this one. Which is really more dangerous because you have to work around the pit. I don't know. It's kind of ambitious to me. No. I knew it was going to happen eventually. This was bad. This is like 4 out of 10. I'm not going to finish that. Oh, that was great. Oh, okay. Berry Bounty. Berries in it? Oh, that's fun. Very delicious. I'm getting kind of a berry flavor out of this one. They don't tell you what berries are in here though. And I'm a little worried that it's like poison, like wild berries. You know, when you go outside and you in the bushes, and the berries are. But barring that the berries aren't poisonous, this is a pretty good Go-GURT. It's not my favorite, but I'm gonna have to go 7 out of 10. I will finish. Sorry if I sound a little delirious. It's because I've eaten 4 Go-GURTs.
That's more than a man per day.
This is not meant to be a 4 quantity snack for a man.
You're up to 5 now.
Yeah.
You ready?
I think I'm ready for my soup. Oh, soup boy. Yes. Come provide Daddy with his soup. I want a full serving of soup. Yes, just like that. Yes, give Papa his soup. Yes, very good. Oh, you spilled my soup, you silly boy. How dare you spill daddy's soup? Oh yes, yes, give me all the soup. Yes, more soup. I need more. Yes, more soup. Oh, bottoms up.
Get this camera guy.
Yeah, we have a lot of fun here, but this is a great way to up your cuisine, okay? If you're like me, like age 35, really getting up there in years, and you want to, you know, branch out a little more dietarily speaking, then you make yourself a nice bowl of soup, and it's a great way to like, get the nutrients you need for your day. Really gets you ready to take the day on. You know, grab life by the horns. Kind of like a 1776 mentality. Like a rebel. Revolutionary.
By this time in the video, I have been eating the GO-GURT for several hours. How do you like? It was pretty good, though I wish I had someone to enjoy it with. I get lonely sometimes. Any attractive lady, feel free to DM me. Ha! I have some GO-GURT for you.
I'm sorry. That's all the Go-GURT.